Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Vegetablesoup and on this channel I share videos on food and business. Kindly subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button so that when I post new videos like this, you'll be informed. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this yummy vegetable soup. Highly loaded with nutrients and vitamins, and this soup went to Harvard. I'm not even joking. It is made from pumpkin leaves and water leaves, and they are rich in essential nutrients like vitamin A, C, and E, which are great for your skin, vision, and overall health. It is also a good source of iron, which is essential for healthy blood and also to prevent anemia. So let's jump right into it. Here are a list of ingredients that you'll be requiring for this soup. You would need any protein of your choice, season and cook the meat until it is tender. Then would also need the stock water, of course, fresh pepper. I used a mixture of red and yellow Scotch bonnet pepper, stock fish and dried fish. You'll also need salt and seasoning cubes. I always use different kinds of seasoning cubes for my soup most of the times, and today I'm using Maggi, Onga, and No. So this is not a sponsored video, but this is from my mouth to the ears of God, and also to know Maggi and Onga manufacturers or company that I am open for collaborations and sponsorships. Okay, so we'll also be needing red oil and crayfish or more. Make sure you chop your pumpkin leaves after washing it properly. Then would also be needing water leaves. Also wash and chop them up properly. Would need some onions, and that's it for all the ingredients. And this is an overview of all the ingredients we'll be needing for this yummy soup. Pumpkin leaves and water leaves offer amazing benefits, and they are rich in essential nutrients like vitamin A, C, and E, which are great for your skin, vision, and overall health. So the first thing I usually do is to cook the water leaf alone. This will help dry out some of the water from the water leaves, and usually may take about 4 minutes. This will help to prevent the soup from being too watery. It also helps remove the raw bitter taste, and for me it helps to enhance the flavor. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this process. Do you usually cook and dry yours, or you use it straight up into your soups? Other benefits of pumpkin leaves and water leaf is that they are low in calories but have high fiber content, making them excellent choices for those looking to maintain a healthy weight. It's also loaded with antioxidants that help combat free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Next, add the palm oil and chopped onions. Also add the fresh pepper, salt, and seasoning cubes. Usually the stock water contains some spices already, so make sure you don't overdo the salt and seasoning cubes. Kindly check the description box for the list of ingredients and some of their measurements. Kindly subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button so that when I post new videos you'll be informed. Remember to like this video and share with your friends and family. Add your meat stock, dry fish, stockfish, and momo. Stir thoroughly and cover your pot. Cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add the already boiled and seasoned meat. Give it a good stir and cover the pot. Cook for another 2 minutes to allow everything simmer in and marry in. It's time to add your pumpkin leaves and crayfish. Stir thoroughly and then taste for salt and seasoning cubes. In my own case, I had to add more seasoning cubes and a little salt. And I usually love to do this last because I don't want to end up with a soup that is either too salty or overly spiced. So you have to make sure you don't overdo this process so that you don't ruin all your efforts. Also, feel free to add more pepper if you want. In my house, we don't really eat a lot of pepper. So I'm sure some people, this pepper I used is just like a joke. I know some people would want to add more pepper. So feel free to adjust the ingredients. The ingredients and the measurements of some of the ingredients I use will be in the description box. And your soup is ready. So you can have this alone or you can have it with your swallow. I even have some people eat this with rice. It's highly nutritious and so healthy. Let me know in the comment section, okay, if you're going to be trying out this recipe. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe, hit the notification button so that when I post new videos, you'll be informed. Can you just see this yummy goodness? Can you see? This soup is so nutritious. And so yummy. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying out this recipe. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.